Hello and welcome to Immigration Talk Show, where we explore policies shaping our nation's future. And today we are diving into President Trump's bold proposal to eliminate federal income taxes and replace them with increased tariffs. So the question is what this could mean for immigrants in America. Let's break it down. Currently, the US government funds its operation primarily through income taxes paid by individuals and corporations. And this system has been in place since the early 20th century. But now, President Donald Trump's proposal aims to abolish the system. That means abolishing the federal income taxes and replacing them with higher tariffs on imported goods. And if we talk about the idea, then the idea is to generate revenue by taxing foreign products, potentially encouraging domestic consumptions. And for immigrants, especially those in lower income brackets, this could mean an increase in take home pay, as federal income taxes would no longer be deducted from their earnings. Well, this change might enhance financial stability and provide more disposable income. But it's also very important to consider the flip side as well. And higher tariffs could also lead to increased prices on imported goods, especially on items that many families rely on daily. And this inflation could offset the benefits of reduced taxes, impacting purchasing power. While eliminating income taxes might also boost take home pay, the resulting high tariffs could also raise the cost of living. Essential goods often imported may become more expensive, affecting low and middle income households the most. It's also worth noting that such a significant shift in tax policy could have broader economic implications, potentially affecting job markets and public services that many communities, including immigrants, depend on. In conclusion, while the prospect of no federal income taxes sounds appealing, it's crucial to weigh the potential economic ripple effects. As this proposal develops, staying informed and considering both the benefits and drawbacks will be essential for all Americans, especially the immigrant communities. And that's all for today's update. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching this video till the end. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Immigration Talk Show. See you next time.